Welcome to you all curious student in KMC classes, that is Kana Math classes for 12th Math concerning to CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. Now in the continuance of previous videos, further I will want to project some light on the usage of derivative, that is in finding out the tangent and normals to the given curves at the specific given point. Here in this case, in question number 4, equation of curve is given by y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2, and you have to find out the slope of tangent, that is dy by dx at the point x is equal to 3. Now finding the first derivative of the equation of the curve, that is dy by dx is equal to x cube means 3x square minus 3x minus 3 plus 0. Hence dy by dx at the point x is equal to 3 will be given by substituting the value of x by 3 in this equation, that is 3x square means 3 square minus 3, that is 3 into 9 minus 3, and that is equal to 27 minus 3, that is equal to 24. This is the slope of the requisite tangent and answer of question number 4. Now in question number 5 of the same exercise, it is given the equation of curves x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, and you have to find out the slope of normal to the curve, that is minus 1 upon dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. For this purpose we will differentiate with respect to theta separately. Now dy by dx is equal to 3a sin square theta, 3a sin square theta, and sin theta means cos theta, and this is dy by d theta, because we have differentiated this with respect to theta. Then dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta, and again dx upon d theta is equal to 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta, this is 2. By finding out the dy by dx, it will be very easier to divide equation 1 by 2 by 1 upon 2 dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, 3a sin square theta into cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Here 3a will be cancelled by 3a, and sin square theta, 1 sin theta will be cancelled by sin theta. Similarly 1 cos theta cancelled by this, and perhaps this is d theta cancelled by d theta. This will be equal to dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus, actually we have left in numerator sin theta and denominator cos theta, means minus tan theta, or dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to minus tan pi by 4 means -1, or the requisite problem to find out the slope of the normal, that is -1 upon dy by dx, that is -1 upon here -1 is equal to 1. This is the requisite slope of the normal to the given point. Now in question number 6, the equation of curve is given by x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta and y is equal to b cos square theta, and from this equation you have to find out the slope of the normal, that is -1 upon dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2. For the slope of the normal, first of all we will calculate the slope of the tangent, and for this we will differentiate this and this with respect to theta, that is a dx by d theta is equal to dx by d theta is equal to 1 0 minus a sin theta means cos theta, this is 1, and this is dy by d theta, dy by d theta is equal to twice b cos theta and cos theta differential minus sin theta. This will be equation 2. From equation number 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, that is minus 2b cos theta sin theta minus 2b cos theta sin theta upon minus a cos theta minus a cos theta. This will be cut by this, and d theta will be cancelled by d theta. This will become dy by dx minus minus plus, that is b by a, and here it's left only sin theta. Hence dy by dx at point theta is equal to pi by 2, it will become 2b by a into sin pi by 2, or dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2. This will become sin pi by 2 means 1, this will become 2 by b by a, 2b by a. Hence slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is minus 1 upon 2b by a, that is minus a upon 2b. This will be the requisite slope of the normal. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.